Go underneath the water.
Dive underneath?
Yeah, do all your tricks. Lena. Yep. Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Mommy.
Okay, let me get the background from the other side. What do you want to tell her? Fix your hair. You look like a sumo wrestler.
I love you.
And what else?
What are you doing?
She can't answer back. There's some video. Tell her you miss her.
I miss you.
Okay, let's get the background there too. And tell her how you're doing.
I'm doing good.
Do you like it here? Okay, good. Look at her swim, Zan. Okay, I can show the background. It's, what, 5:30 in the evening?
Huh?
And we went down to the beach to pick shells, but she wanted to jump in the water, so we let her swim. Okay, aloha, Zan. Tell her, say bye, Mommy.
Aloha, Mommy.
Love you.
Love you.